understand how I can improve my artistic abilities.
No, you do. I don't need to do that. Go ahead. Go ahead, do it.
So this is not of the right consistency. It needs to be a little more fine. This is a little more coarse. So I'm gonna work it.
It wouldn't be any better.
Yeah. So this is gonna be hard to make it, but I'm gonna try. So when you have the right consistency,
It just falls.
yeah,
out
it
right
falls
where
out right where you need
put
it.
Yeah, these probably bounce a little as
Yeah.
well.
Met a lot of Davids this week. Yes, there's lots of
So
them.
do you use like
All
your
related.
fingers as sort of your guiding measurements?
It's just eye and your fingers. You use your eyes, you use your fingers, and you just make an assessment. The idea is not to get it perfect, but to make it look visually harmonious.
So you're just coming up with the design out of your head right now?
No, this is an established design.
Established design.
Yeah, this is an established
Pattern.
design.
It's a pattern.
Yeah, it's a pattern.
I should have called you guys.
And
Well, I
do
was in the office
you
till
learn
about
these
9
established designs because they're very
And then I,
important, or just because?
You just look at other people's works. You can use, you can use other people's works as inspiration. You can come up with your own. You know, I've done both.
I see how this happened.
Yeah, I was working on the
I bet it
lab
would've
in
been
Seattle office yesterday.
More fun
So-
to do
And,
a rice
and the
powder.
design is called what? A
Kolam.
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 So I was
cool.
finishing my cleanup and getting my stuff packed.
I'm very impressed. Thank you. That's beautiful. And with pepper, no less.
Yes.
So we needed a contrast of black on white.
So originally this is done with rice powder to
Rice
feed
powder.
ants and birds.